Hello. I'd like to say thank you for posting your videos on betta fish and beginning betta fish. I'm really appreciative. I'm just starting to get into this, and I do have a few questions if you don't mind answering. I would like to put a betta fish in here. I've been told no, don't do it, but maybe if I explain what I plan on doing, you can tell me whether or not that's feasible or if it's humane or beneficial to the betta. Anyway, you can see the tank itself is nothing but a bowl, and you can see don't mind the dishes. You can see the outline of the root that the bowl is on, and I'm going to use that as my landscaping. I'm not going to put anything else in there if this is feasible, other than maybe a couple of plants, not even any substrate. The thing I'm wondering, the total volume of actual water that can go into there with the level that you see is 2.75 gallons. So that's the actual amount of water that's in there right now. I know that 2.5 gallons I've heard it is the minimum that you should use in a tank, but then I noticed that a lot of other people add things like rocks and other things into the aquarium or the bowl, and that takes up water space. So as you see it right there, there's literally 2.7 gallons of water. Like I said, I think it's going to look nice as it is with no substrate in the bottom, if that's possible. Adding a couple of plants. I will add an inline heater, possibly a spotlight above, but all I would like in the filtration process is to have an external filter, one line coming in the back, clear plastic line coming in the back, going in the bowl for a suction, and another line coming out to put the clean water back in after it's filtered. Is this possible? And once again, an inline heater. The only thing is, the smallest external filter that I can find is good for 30 gallons, way over the 2 3/4 gallons that I have. So I don't know if I would have to perforate some of the lines so the flow of water isn't so great. But could you tell me if this is even feasible? If it, like I said, if it's humane, if it does have enough room. Again, the total volume of water in there is 2 3/4 gallon. It looks plenty big enough for one betta, if you ask me, but I don't know about these things. And could you give me some tips also on if it is possible, what I would need, what extra I would need that I haven't thought about besides the plants? And that's about it. Thank you very much. I really appreciate your help.